Last week we saw Priyanka Chopra attending a UNICEF event right here in Delhi.
We've seen Priyanka a couple of times in our episodes, but I'm super excited about this newbie on the list. You'll have to wait till the end of the episode to know who that is.
So without wasting any more of my precious time, let's dive into this week's episode of Crush or Crash. So Priyanka Chopra, my favorite, looks not so favorite in this electric blue jumpsuit from Missoni's Spring Summer 18 collection. I don't think this outfit does justice to her style or even her personality. She looks very blah to me right now. Even the shoes, the Fendi shoes, which are nice on their own, does not seem to be working with this outfit. Nothing saves this look for me.
I'm not saying it's bad, but definitely not Piggy Chop level. This part for me looks stunning because she is a very gorgeous woman, and she's gone with her signature look, the brown smoky eyes, the matte lips, the loose hair. Everything's perfect, but the jumpsuit is so dull. It's like 70s done wrong. It's a beautiful piece on its own, but if you see the entire ensemble, it's very off and it's very blah.
So like I said, if someone else was wearing it, I probably would have been slightly more forgiving. But just because Piggy Chops, you chose this plain Jane outfit, I am going to crash it.
Even I'm crashing it. On the other hand, Rosh, I am totally loving this look.
She looks like a lace-clad angel to me.
And the best part is, it is a very heavy outfit. If you think about it, it's all lace,
all embroidered,
and it's peach and white. It's a very heavy ethnic outfit that I'll probably wear to a reception or a wedding occasion, but wearing it to a book launch. This is from her trip to Delhi, and wow, like just because she kept her accessories minimal, the makeup was done just light, only bold lips to add more statement to it. She let the garment be the hero.
Also, it's a very smart thing to pair net dupatta with such a heavily embroidered outfit.
So,
it makes my heart go like, wow.
Okay, she is gonna fall in love, and before she goes all crazy, we are crushing this look.
So, Kareena Kapoor was seen wearing masaba in one of the award functions.
It was in Mumbai.
It was in Mumbai, and she's wearing a Chanderi silk sari, which is definitely bright, and of course the striking pink color is definitely very summer, very fresh. But I don't like the blouse because I think the silk blouse and the silk sari is too much for me. Also, it's really bright, so I don't have any break in this outfit. And also the color combination, it's so old, it's so outdated. I want to see some more colors on you, Bebo.
I completely have to disagree with you, Roshni, here, because I kind of love this look. I like the idea of fusion. I like when you add a contemporary twist to your traditional wear, but here she's gone completely traditional, and that's fine. She's kept it very nice. Her hair is sleek, her makeup is slightly mute with only coal eyes, and the only bling that she's played with is her earrings.
The colors are definitely eye-catching, but to me they look eye-crashing. So I'm sorry, I'm gonna crash.
I'm a traditional lover, and when I see something so well put and so nicely done, I'm loving it. I'm sorry, crushing it. Oh my God, Parineeti Chopra, why are you wearing this? I think she's gone into a trauma.
I only have one thing to ask. Parineeti Chopra, the nation wants to know, why are you wearing this shirt with this skirt? Whose shoes are you wearing? Did someone force you to wear these shoes? Are these your shoes? Were you paid to wear these shoes? Were you asked, were you forced by your stylist to wear these shoes? Why would you do such a disaster of an outfit to yourself? The nation wants to know.
I want to know too.
I feel outraged with those golden pumps paired with that polyvinyl skirt.
What is that shirt?
That
what are those
striped skirt. I mean, why would you do this to yourself and us? We like you.
How is this weather appropriate? Okay, the first basic question. How is this weather appropriate? How is that skirt not killing you in Bombay?
How is this fashion appropriate?
And oh my God, that gold shoe is literally like, were you blindfolded when they were given to you?
My eyes.
The shoe is just something I don't even want to look at right now. The only saving grace is her hair and makeup right now.
This is 50 Shades of Disaster for me. I'm sorry, Parineeti, before I go on and on.
Yeah. I'm gonna just calm her down let's just say it's a crash.
So my favorite Kangana Ranaut is back, and this time she was in Delhi for the launch of Neeta Lulla's flagship store at the Emporia Mall. Well, talking about the outfit, I like it. I like the monotones, I like the frills, I like the pants also. But can I just say that I like Kangana more than the outfit? I mean, I know she's wearing Neeta Lulla because she was going to the launch, and of course she had to wear. Sometimes celebrities have to wear what the designers kind of request you to promote. But I'm not over the moon about what she's wearing, but I really like the way she's carrying it. That vintage vibe that Kangana always has is kind of constant. Her hair is perfect.
I like Kangana, nothing against her, but I like the outfit all in all. I agree that there's a lot of ruffle on the top, there's a lot of floral work on the pants. It's a heavy outfit altogether, but I think the color is making it a little more subtle. Then she's kept her hair very loose and nice, golden waves. Her makeup is nice, the lips are nude. For some reason, it's still very nice and pleasant to look at. It's not heavy on my eyes.
It's Kangana.
Is she paying you?
No, she doesn't pay me. It's just that I feel there's a way. So style is all about personality, and if you can let your personality speak through your outfit, and if you don't let the outfit overpower your personality, and I think you're a style icon.
So I'm crushing it for everything. Kangana, look, silhouette, color. For me, it's a very beautiful ensemble. So crushing it. So Kalki is wearing an ivory gown by Anand Bhushan.
And she's styled by Pranay Jetli and Shaunak Amonkar. Very well done, guys.
Wonderful, wonderful job. I know that, as Roshni said, you own a garment. Kalki has that in her.
It's the bangs that add that extra style quotient.
The edge to it.
Like the SQ to it.
You know, honestly, I really like the cut of the gown, how the bodice fits, and there's a cinch with a silver belt on the waist.
It does perfect justice to her body.
And the flare. You know what works the best for me is the flare that starts below the knee. So it's not that fish cut thing, which I think is horrible. It is just the right thing. It's not too big.
Yeah.
But the flare is just below the knee and it follows up to the waist.
Yes.
So you have that entire shape coming out in a very elegant way.
And that flare adds that extra romantic vibe to her beautiful, beautiful ivory outfit.
To her body.
And of course, I think we can go on and on and on. So let's just say that we are crushing
Totally crushing it. So guys, it's time for the most fun segment of the episode, the audience segment.
We get a lot of requests from you guys, but make sure that you send us pictures that are latest and trending.
Yeah, that's very important.
So the first request is from
Alina, which is NAA_Rizvi. So she has shared Aditi Rao Hedri's picture, which is quite nice. Like I wouldn't say it's anything great, like it's a usual Aditi attire. The outfit looks nice, the makeup is her signature look, smoky eyes, bold lips, loose, casual, effortless hair.
It's a very summer appropriate outfit that I'm really liking, and of course I can see that she's chopped her hair, which looks very fresh. Yeah, what do you
Of course, I know where that's coming from.
So I like this look. In fact, I quite like it. It looks very easy breezy, and of course the beautiful lip that she always rocks and the silver earrings. Nothing seems to be going wrong. Crush.
For me, I have seen this look on her and I'm not crashing it, but I'm in between. Not a bad look, but not a great look.
So she experimented. She cut her hair.
Okay. Next request.
Okay, moving on. We have a request from just_an_illusion. Very interesting name.
Is that your portal? I think it's her handle.
It's not delusion, it's illusion.
Oh, my bad.
So, Chitrangada Singh, I have to say, I love this woman. She is
smoking hot.
Gorgeous.
Smoking hot.
Hot, yummy mummy. I'm sorry I hadn't said this in a long time. She looks amazing in what she's wearing. I love the sari. I love the blouse.
The corset blouse is
so sexy.
She looks like a desi pataka.
Sultry she looks. Love her hair. Love the earrings. Love her vibe. There is nothing I don't like about everything she's wearing.
Spot
on. Spot on. Definitely a crush. Upalana, do you know that we have a hashtag by our name? Thanks to our viewers, we are now called Roshalina.
Whoa! Brangelina, Sefina and Roshalina.
Thank you so much guys for coming up with such a cool hashtag. I'm totally crushing it.
Let us know what you thought about our video in the comment section below, and I'm sure you enjoy it, so you will like it, right?
Don't forget to send us your entries on PopXO Fashion Instagram, or even better, why don't you guys make videos and send us? That'll be cool, right?
And for more fashion and lots of Crush or Crash, don't forget to tune into PopXO Fashion.
Bye.